all of our customers and integrators have new challenges every day.
Sure.
And AMG, you come up with better and new solutions every time we see it.
Yep.
What are some of the new solutions that you have today?
Well, Tom, we've got a few new products here that I can show you. We're starting with our new AMG 260 series. So these are industrial media converters.
Okay.
Supporting all kinds of PoE from 30 watts up to 90 watts.
Nice.
You can also power them with PoE as well if you like.
Okay.
But what's neat about these new versions is we have now these 10 dip switches on the front. So these allow us to add a lot of extra smart functionality. We can do things like link fault pass-through to kind of pass the knowledge about a failure in a network, pass that through from the edge to the core of the network.
Okay.
We can also do things like remote device reset. So if you have a camera or device that you think is failed or having an issue, you can actually initiate a complete reboot of that device from the head end, from the control room. So you don't have to roll any trucks. But what's different about what we do is, despite just resetting the edge device, we're also resetting the entire AMG product as well. So it's like a complete system reboot, which is very different to what other people are doing in the market.
Okay, nice.
And these dip switches also allow us to do other cool things, such as on this device here, we can do a dual fiber uplink, so as like a standby.
Redundancy.
So the system, redundancy. So the system can work over one fiber port, and then if that fails, instantly switch to the other port. So things like that, and all these things can be done just by enabling these dip switches.
Okay.
Which is really simple and easy to use.
Mission critical information, again, nuclear facilities, airports, corrections, even ITS, they would love something like that to have some redundancy in case of a fiber break or a failure.
So we've done, obviously these devices typically go at the edge of the network.
Right.
But then we've also come up with a new system, which is the AMG Blade.
Right.
So this is a 1U 19-inch mount chassis system for the head end.
Okay.
So this allows us to install up to 18 individual media converters in a single 1 RU of space.
Wow. Because before we needed 3, 4, 5, 6 rack U.
Correct.
So we're able to reduce your overall footprint now and your racking requirements.
Yeah, space is becoming a much more scarce commodity in these head-end environments. So this allows us to really kind of get the most dense solution possible.
Gotcha.
And also things like dual redundant power supplies are standard for extra resilience. And these cards, they are upgradable, so you can swap them out, hot swappable cards. You can start with a few, and then as time goes on, you can just add more cards. And we'll have lots of different versions of these cards coming out. Right now, we have a couple of different options, but as we move forward, we'll launch more and more options.
Perfect.
So we've also increased our managed switch range.
Right. So
we have our standard AMG 570 managed switch series, which was typically up to 11 ports.
Right.
We now have a whole new range of the AMG 570s that now allow us to go up to 24 ports. So up to 16 copper and 8 SFP ports.
Okay.
In a full industrial package.
Gotcha.
So that allows for a lot more devices to be connected in those environments.
Now, we heard these are new products.
Yep.
When are they available?
So these are actually all shipping as of right now. So we're in start of April 2025. Okay. You can order these now and they're shipping.
Gotcha. Now, all the industrial products I know come with a lifetime warranty.
Correct.
What about the new Blade?
Exactly the same. Lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty.
Yeah, the same with all of these new devices that I've been showing you. They're all part of our industrial range, so they all have the lifetime warranty.
Excellent. Tom, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.